Good morning. We're going to do a review on Henna N Placenta. It has argan oil in it. What was it here? Oh la la. Neutral henna, and the magical ingredient is placenta. All right. So, yes. So what I do is I wash my hair, and then I get out, I towel dry my hair, and I put this entire package of ancient pea, Henna N Placenta, into my hair. Leave it in for about 10 minutes. And then I have to rinse. And then we're gonna see what it's like. All right, so, got lots of hair here. And it's stuck. Yes. Get this at your local drugstore. McCory's Pharmacy has this downtown, where you can find Henna N Placenta. So it's gonna go. I probably need more placenta because I got lots of hair, but we're gonna do this whole package with my hair. This is before washing it, so we will be right back. So stay tuned.